I'm going to teach a very basic way to multiply by 11. What you should do is think of any number times 11 to be an addition problem. You want to first have 3 at the units digit, which is this digit. Then you want to add, starting to move left. So then I would add then 2 plus 3, have 5, and then the last term would be this term. So it works very simply for problems for numbers which have very small digits. So another example would be 45 times 11. Again, you want to first give a 5, and then move over and add these two, give a 9, and then you just have the last number, 495. And if you want to check why this works, if you write out this multiplication like you would normally, what you're actually doing is first multiplying 45 by 1, and then moving to the tens place and multiplying 45 again. So here you're dropping 5, adding these two digits, and then dropping 4. Since you know this is true, you should skip this step and just see it straight in your head when you see this on the page. So what happens if the numbers, say you have 78 times 11? Right away you might wonder, well, 7 plus 8 is 15, and that is a number greater than 10, so how would that fit in one digit? Well, you should use the principles of carryover, and you can have the exact same way of doing this problem. So first, you would drop 8, and then you have 7 plus 8, and you know that's 15. Well, I'm just going to put the 5 and carry over 1. So when I drop down the 7, I actually turn that into an 8. Let's try this again. 99. I'm going to drop down the 9. I'm going to add this, which is 18. Well, I'm just going to have the 8 and carry over 1, so when I drop down 9, it becomes 10. This method is actually so powerful that you can increase the digits. Let's say you want to do 123. Well, first I'm going to drop down 3, then I'm going to carry over and do a 5, and then I'm going to carry over these two. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then I finally drop down the 1. And you could try this writing all the steps out to see that it actually works. And if you really want to see how powerful this is, we could do a number like 4, 6, 5, 2, 1, 6. And I can do this really quickly. 6, 7, 3, 7, 11, but I'm going to carry over. 4 plus 6 is 10, and I carry over the 1, so it's 11. And then once again I carry over, and 4, 5. If you really want to test this, you could, but you're sticking to the basic principles of mathematics and doing something very simple. Just taking the first digit, adding the 2, and then putting the last digit.